is this? What is this? This is a dinosaur. Hey, okay, you want to open? Dinosaur egg, okay, this is what's this? What's this? Let's look at what this. This is Pikmi pop. Pikmi pop. Leroy the monkey, baby. This is the monkey. Later we open this. Which one you want to open first? This one open first. Okay. So this is McDonald's Jurassic World. This is Indominus Rex. Indominus Rex. Indominus Rex. Rex. Okay, let's open it. Rex, yeah, Rex, yes. Hey, yes. Open. Okay, you open it. Steady, open. Cannot open. Wow, this dinosaur egg inside of the dinosaur. Wow, so nice, Okay. Right, Daddy, open it. Daddy, open it. Oh, no need to open it. Okay, baby, you know this one? Dinosaur. This is Indominus Rex. Ooh, the mouth. Wow, like that, Baby, it can move, baby. You know how it move? You know how it move? Chom, 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 chom. Yes, chom. Baby, Daddy make it move. Daddy make it move. You see, You see? Oh, you see, when it moves, the mouth will open and close. Chom, 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 chom. The egg is open. You want to close it back? Maybe you see this one, the mouth can open and close it. You look? What? Yes, yeah. Okay, baby, you want to open another one? Open this one? Okay. Maybe open, This is Leroy the monkey. Leroy the monkey. Okay. How does it look like? Let's open it. This is a monkey. Yeah. Yes, monkey like Yes. Okay. Maybe you see. Is this a monkey? Then what is this? Banana. Cute banana. This one. There's a sticker. Don't know what is it for. Okay, baby, you see, this one, baby, you see, this one we can put it here. And then, yes, maybe you see. Yeah, like a bracelet, but your hand is too small. Okay, make it smaller than normal. Like these toys, baby, Wesley, do you like these toys? Yes. Which one you like? Which one you like the most? Which one? This one, huh? I make it stand, maybe I make it stand. Okay. Okay, baby, say bye bye to the camera. Say bye bye.
Bye, Gracelyn.
Bye.